Welcome back to Lushu Review, your one-stop destination for premium vehicle insights and real-world performance reviews. Today, we're diving into a bold, rugged, and refreshingly bright beast, the 2026 Mahindra Jeep, showcased in a stunning yellow finish. This latest iteration from Mahindra doesn't just turn heads, it demands attention on and off the road. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a city cruiser, or someone who loves a commanding presence behind the wheel, this vehicle might just be your next big obsession. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the new Mahindra Jeep makes a powerful statement. The yellow color gives it a vibrant, youthful, and adventurous vibe. It's not just a vehicle, it's a personality on four wheels. The designers have clearly aimed for a modern yet rugged look, and they've pulled it off with impressive finesse. The front grille retains that classic vertical slat design, staying true to its Jeep heritage, while new LED headlamps with integrated DRLs give it a futuristic touch. The sculpted hood and aggressive bumper design scream confidence. Move around the sides, and the bold wheel arches immediately catch your eye. They're filled out with newly designed 18-inch alloy wheels that offer both style and performance. The matte black cladding contrasts sharply with the yellow body paint, giving it a muscular and tough edge. The side profile is more aerodynamic than its predecessors, but it doesn't sacrifice that iconic boxy stance that fans of Mahindra Jeeps have come to love. You'll also notice subtle chrome touches and blacked-out roof rails that complete the adventurous look. At the rear, Mahindra keeps things fresh with redesigned tail lamps that sport a new LED signature. The tailgate-mounted spare wheel is still there, reinforcing the Jeep's off-road-ready character. The bumper is more refined this time around, and the dual-tone finish adds to the vehicle's premium appeal. Altogether, the 2026 Mahindra Jeep in yellow offers a bold and unmistakable road presence, whether it's rolling through the city or tackling rocky trails. But what about performance? Well, the 2026 Mahindra Jeep doesn't just look the part, it plays it exceptionally well too. Under the hood, you get a 2.2-liter M-Hawk diesel engine that delivers around 180 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. There's also a new turbo petrol option, the 2.0-liter M-Stallion engine pushing close to 200 horsepower. Both engines are refined, punchy, and paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission. The 4x4 system remains a strong selling point. It's not just for show, this is a true off-road vehicle. You get different drive modes, a low-range gearbox, and a mechanically locking rear differential. Whether you're climbing steep inclines, driving through sand, or powering across slushy terrain, the 2026 Jeep handles it all with ease. The suspension setup has also seen an upgrade, offering better ride comfort over broken roads while still maintaining its trail-conquering capabilities. On tarmac, the vehicle feels more planted than before. High-speed stability is improved, and body roll is well controlled for a vehicle of this size and stance. Steering feedback is more responsive, and braking has been enhanced with larger discs and improved ABS calibration. So whether you're cruising the highways or taking it to the hills, performance is smooth, responsive, and confident. Now let's step inside. The interior of the 2026 Mahindra Jeep has seen one of the most significant overhauls. The cabin is far more premium and tech-savvy compared to earlier models. As soon as you step in, you're welcomed by a dual-tone dashboard with soft-touch materials and a layout that feels both rugged and refined. The yellow stitching across the seats and steering wheel adds a sporty touch and subtly ties into the vehicle's exterior theme. The central infotainment system is a massive 10.25-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's fast, responsive, and well integrated with the new 10-speaker sound system that delivers crisp and deep audio quality. There's also a fully digital instrument cluster that offers customizable layouts, navigation integration, and off-road stats. You even get voice command support and connected car features through the Mahindra Adreno X system. Comfort-wise, the front seats are wide and supportive with ventilation and electronic adjustability. Rear seat space has improved slightly with better cushioning and recline function. Although it still isn't class-leading in space, it's comfortable for two adults on long journeys. Boot space is adequate for weekend trips, and the rear seats fold down flat to extend cargo capacity when needed. Safety has not been compromised. The Jeep comes equipped with 6 airbags, a 360-degree camera, hill descent control, electronic stability control, and a new advanced driver assistance system with